Welcome to our next series of questions on the series on respiration and respiratory system. The question number 8 under this series is very simple. It said, list organs of respiration in different organisms. List organs of respiration in different organisms. Now, these organs of respiration can also be called gas exchange organs. So, but for the purpose of this content, we're going to put it like a table. We'll have here, we can say organisms, right? And then the other side we said organ of respiration, all right, or gas exchange. Organ of respiration or gas exchange. Then we'll put it like a table like this so that we can understand what we're dealing with. The first one is something like Amoeba. Let's go to simple Amoeba. Amoeba uses what is called cell membrane. Very easy. Okay. The second organism we can think of is something like Tilapia. Tilapia is a bony fish. It uses what for respiration? Gills. Then you have insects. Your insects like cockroaches and grasshopper, mosquitoes, they use what is called tracheal tubes for respiration. Have you come across spiders before? Spiders have their own organ of respiration. We call them long book, or we call it book lung. It's acceptable, all right? Long book or book lung. Then what about the mosquito larva? The mosquito larva is not the same thing like the pupa. The mosquito larva has an organ of respiration that is called breathing tube, or we call it siphon. Don't forget that. Then we have the mosquito pupa. The pupa of the mosquito, call it mosquito pupa, right? Mosquito pupa. What does it use? It is what is called breathing trumpet. Breathing trumpet. That's their own organ of respiration. What about toad? The toad. It uses the skin. Interestingly, it uses the mouth, and then it also uses the lungs. Yes. Toad have 3 areas used for respiration. What about we humans? Humans will use our lungs for respiration. We have nothing other than the lungs for respiration. Then number 9, we can think of flowering plants. All flowering plants generally. Flowering plants, they actually use what's called stomata in the leaf, and also they have what is called lenticels on stem. Don't forget this, very important in examinations, okay? And then number 10, we can think of things like white mangrove plant. White mangrove plant. It's a plant that grows in the swamp. White mangrove plants. What do they use for respiration? Their own organ of respiration is called pneumatophores. The P is silent. Pneumatophores. Right? Some people call it breathing roots. So these are the various organs that different animals use for the purpose of respiration. And if I may add like an additional point, out of all this 1 to 10, I can add number 11, something like tadpoles, all right? Tadpoles, they actually use what is called external gills. And for respiration. Some of them also use what's called internal gills for respiration, depending on the stage of their growth. So this is like an additional point, okay? Tadpole use external gills for respiration. Enjoy learning.